How to disable sync in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to disable the sync on your Windows, there are two solutions for it. First of all, what you have to do is right click on your start button and search for control panel. Or what you can do is click on the search bar and type in control panel. Once control panel is open, you can click on sync center. Once that is done, you can see all your sync devices and connections here. You can tap on manage sync settings and turn off the sync settings. This is one way to do so. For the next option, you can click on the back arrow which is on the left top corner. And now select on network and sharing center. Once you have opened that, on the left side you will see change advanced sharing settings. Hereby there are different options such as public networks, network discovery. Make sure that it is toggled off. Also from the all network settings, make sure that you have toggled off the options of public folder sharing. And this way you have disabled sync in Windows. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.